In this presentation, we'll talk about wrong key sonatas. We've noted in previous presentations this graph that we've created of the sonata form. Notably, we've seen that the secondary theme area, when we're dealing with the exposition, will always appear in a different key than the primary theme area. Most of the time, if the sonata is in major, the secondary theme area will be in the dominant. And if the sonata is in minor, the secondary theme area will be in the relative major. However, on occasion, composers might utilize the wrong key in the primary theme area or the secondary theme area, either in the exposition, recapitulation, or both. In general, even though one of these formal areas might be in the wrong key, composers in the common practice era will often utilize this wrongness to display one of the values of sonata form, in other words, balance or perhaps long-term resolution. For instance, let's consider Beethoven's Opus 53 Sonata in C major, the Waldstein. The exposition's secondary theme area here is in E major, that is major 3 when compared with C major. In the recap, the secondary theme area begins in A major, or 6. Neither of these is correct. We have a wrong key in the exposition. We have a wrong key in the recapitulation. Though both of these areas are indeed in quote-unquote the wrong key from what we expect them to be, we should note that the relationship between the secondary theme areas is still a dominant relationship. This refers back to these sorts of rituals that we're expecting in the sonata form, that there will be these certain relationships, these certain values that are held from form to form, even when there are some things that change, like in this case, having the wrong key. So in this case, we still have a dominant relationship between E and A. E is the dominant of A, 5-1. This references the traditional approach to major mode sonata form key areas, that is, moving down a fifth when we resolve from the exposition to the secondary theme area, to the exposition secondary theme area to the recapitulations secondary theme area. This is just one way to treat wrong key sonatas. Not all of them work this way, some of them work slightly differently. But we'll often see that if a quote-unquote wrong key is used, there will be some aspect of sonata form that helps tie everything together.